Looking to transform your bathrooms into stylish and relaxed space? Let's explore the latest bathroom tile designs of 2025. And today's trends bathroom tiles are not just for protection, they define the entire look and feel of your space. From glossy wall tiles to sleep resistant floor tiles, every detail is a matter. Marble finish tiles bring luxury and matte. The styles is give to the modern touch, while texture tiles add to the depth and character. Choose your style based on your personality and bathroom size. For smaller bathrooms, light colored tiles make the space look bigger and brighter. Large tiles also reduce the ground lines, thus giving clean and seamless finish. Try to the soft whites and pastel blues or gray tones for calm vibe, and go for bold with geometric patterns for the statement look, and proper lighting will enhance the tiles design even more. And remember, always pick the tiles that are easy to clean and water resistant and durable. The right choice added to the both beauty and long life to your bathrooms. And the Procline bathroom tiles, these are best for bathroom floors, especially wet areas and high traffic bathrooms and showered walls and floors. And are made from glass, highly decorated reflective glass wall tiles. These are best for your future walls and niches and Asian brands and vanity backsplashes and rather than main floor surfaces. And mosaic bathroom tiles, it's more ground and more cleaning and maintenance and more complex and installation could be busier and visually. It's best for shower floors and future walls and Asian borders and where you want to decorate your touch. And natural stones like usually more expensive and porous for required sealing can be more work to the maintain. It's best for larger bathrooms where you want luxury feel and main walls or floors if you was okay of maintenance. And sleep resistant and durable low porosity especially near the showers. For walls you have to have more flexibility decorative glass or natural stones work well. For small bathrooms, lighter colors like and large format tiles and fewer grout lines help to the space feel bigger. And natural stones, it's offered to the neat ceiling and ground lines. It's mean more cleaning and consider how much upkeep you are willing to do. Ceramic is the option, the most affordable, and natural stone is a large format and cost more. Match the tile style finish to your design. Matte finish for more attractions. Gloss is a visual for impact of the maybe more slippery. If you like, I can pull